Hi guys, so we have another book review today, and it is the novels written by Mark Twain. So Mark Twain was an American writer, and he usually wrote young fiction for teens and young people. And in this book, there are five of his novels: The Adventure of Tom Sawyer, The Prince and the Pauper, Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, A Connecticut Yankee in King Arthur's Court, The Tragedy of Pudd'nhead Wilson. So Tom Sawyer is one of his most famous character, and also Huckleberry Finn. So these two are kids like who do a lot of adventure and things like that. The Prince and the Pauper and the Tragedy of the Puddinghead Wilson I am yet to read, and I don't have much idea on those. A Connecticut Yankee in King Arthur's Court is like an American who goes back in time to King Arthur's court, and there was a movie called Black Knight which was based on this novel, and this is the cover of that, and this is the spine. So the spine is also having the author's name Mark Twain, and the list of novels here, and this is also a Canterbury classic. This is the lantern here, and the back of the book. So this is the Mississippi River, and here Huckleberry Finn, and his friend Jim, they are crossing the Mississippi River in a raft. That is the story of Huckleberry Finn, and it is one of the greatest American novel of all time. So the cover is based on that. The end pages are again the Mississippi River and the steamboat, which is from Huckleberry Finn's story, and the back cover is also same. This book is a big book because it has 5 novels in it. Gilded Edge, and how many pages this has is totally 718 pages, and these are big pages with small font and not much gap between fonts. So it's a big book, and it will take quite a while to read this completely. There are no pictures or illustrations in this book. I mean, not inside. So like I told, Canterbury Classic are like book for from Canterbury Classics from New San Diego. So these are American books, and these are not Indian books, so these are a bit hard to come by. And it is a leather bound book, so this is bonded leather, this cover, and same is the spine and the back, or leather. And like I told earlier, Canterbury Classics follow the same format, like beautiful cover, beautiful spine and back, leather bound. And this also has got a bookmark of yellow color. So I have read the stories of Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn, but still doing a rereading of those stories. And so yeah, that's about it. That's about Mark Twain's novels, Canterbury Classic. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.